So hello guys. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to, yeah, tignan na lang natin sa title. By the way, I am your handsome teacher, Hever Samson. So yeah, we're going to discuss the slope of the tangent line. Before we proceed, ano nga ulit yung slope? Kasi baka mamaya, dahil grade 11 na kayo, nakalimutan nyo na kung ano ang slope. So kapag sinabi nating slope, usually, ang naaalala nyo dapat is yung rise over run. Yung slope ay yung rise over run. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat pagtaas, meron ding pagtakbo. Or, it simply means kung gaano ba katarik yung tangent line natin, yung line natin, kung gaano ba siya ka-slant. So, pwedeng ganyan ka-slant, pwedeng ganyan, pwedeng ganyan, pwede rin medyo ganyan. So, iba-iba naman ang slope ng tangent line. So, now we are going to discuss the slope of the tangent line. So, let's discuss the slope. Slope is a number that describes both the direction and the steepness of the line. So, dinidescribe niya raw yung direction kung saan patungo yung line and yung kung gaano siya katarik. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating direction, it could be increasing yung line natin, pataas siya or pwedeng decreasing siya, pababa yung line natin. And the steepness, pag sinabi natin steepness, kung yun nga, kung gaano nga siya katarik, kung gaano siya kaslant. So, kapag ang slope natin, if the slope is positive, kailangan alam natin that the tangent line or the line natin is increasing, pataas siya. If the slope is negative, we should be aware that the line is decreasing or pababa siya. In calculus, we should know that the slope m, the slope m is equal to the delta y over delta x or simply dy over dx, or in other term, the slope is also equal to the derivative of the function given. So let's have some examples. Example number 1, find the slope of the curve at the given point where y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x at 2, 4, and then we have to write the equation of the tangent line. So the first thing we have to solve is the slope of the curved line at the given point. So, yung given point na yan, dinadaanan yan ng tangent line. By the way, kapag sinabi nating tangent line, this is a line that touches the curved line or any line in one point, at exactly one point. So if we have a circle, ang tangent line natin is a line that touches the circle in one point. If we have a parabola, a tangent line is a line that touches the parabola at exactly one point. So that is a tangent line. That is a tangent line. Example, we have here a parabola, and then we have this as its tangent line. So this tangent line, itong line na to, yung horizontal line na yan, if it intersects the parabola at exactly one point, then this is a tangent line. Why? Kasi it intersects the parabola at exactly one point. Kapag 2 points, of course, that's not a tangent line na. So, let's proceed. Again, katulad niya ng sinabi ko kanina, in solving for the slope of a line, it's simply solving derivative of the given function. So we have three steps to follow. The first step is to find the slope of the tangent line at any point xy. This can be done by solving for the derivative. So we will be solving for its derivative. After solving the derivative, we have to substitute the value of x in the equation. So given the point, we will be using the x value to substitute all the variable x in the equation. After that, that will be the slope na. Yun na yung slope natin. So now, having the slope and having the point xy natin, we will be using those numbers to solve for the tangent line. So ito na yon. Ito is magagamit for the tangent line. Tangent line. So magagamit natin to for the tangent line. We will be using the point slope form. We have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by the quantity x minus x sub 1. Where, remember, m is the slope. Kung ano yung masosolve natin slope, yun yung gagamitin natin. Y sub 1 and x sub 1, yan yung point given sa problem. Let's proceed. Let's proceed for the solution. So first is the given curve equation is y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x. So, lagay natin to solve for the slope. To solve for the slope, we have to solve for its derivative. So we have y plus delta y is equal to 3 times the quantity x plus delta x minus 5 times x plus delta x. So we have y plus delta y is equal to 3x plus 3 up, mali, squared pala yon, squared. So we have 3 multiplied by x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x. Simplify, y plus delta y is equal to 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x. So next is to subtract. So we have y plus delta y minus y is equal to 3x squared minus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x minus the quantity 3x squared minus 5x. So now, cancel, we have delta y is equal to 3x squared minus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x minus 3x squared plus 5x. So now we have 3x squared and then negative 3x squared, negative 5x and positive 5x. So we have delta y is equal to negative 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 5 delta x. O, tipilin natin ito. Alam nyo na, mahal ang papel. So we have, after this, we have to divide both sides by delta x. Delta y is equal to negative 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared minus 5 delta x. Divide both sides by delta x. So using the common monomial factor, we will factor out delta x dito sa numerator natin. So we have delta y over delta x is equal to delta x multiplied by negative 6x plus 3 delta x minus 5 over delta x. So cancel. Delta y over delta x is equal to negative 6x plus 3 delta x minus 5. So kuhanin natin yung limits. So we have dy over dx is equal to negative 6x minus 5. So now, ito na yung, wait. Let's see. Positive pala ito. Bakit naging negative? Positive, 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 positive. So we have 6x 6x minus 5 as the derivative of the curve 3x squared minus 5x. So again, 6x minus 5. So the slope is equal to 6x minus 5. So now, using point 24, the slope is equal to 6 times 2 minus 5. So this is equal to 12 minus 5, or simply m is equal to 7. So the slope is equal to 7. So now we have the slope and we have the point. Using the this time to solve for the tangent line, the tangent line. So we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Y, so y sub 1 natin is 4 minus 4 is equal to, ang slope natin is 7 multiplied by x minus 2. So we have y minus 4 is equal to 7x minus 14. And then y is equal to 7x minus 14 plus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 7x minus 10. Therefore, this is now the equation of the tangent line. After the equation of the tangent line, so we have here, we have ang curve natin is y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x ba? Minus 5x. 3x squared minus 5x, and the tangent line is y is equal to 7x minus 10. And then nag-intersect, or the point of intersection of, or the point of tangency is equal to 2, 4. 2, 4. So now, we are going to graph this. So to graph for the curve line, so we will be using this. To graph for the curve line. So we have y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x. It is important to solve for the vertex. Kasi makikita natin yung graph nung equation talaga. And we use the formula h is equal to negative b over 2a. And for k, this is equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. Now, to solve for h, so let's identify first from this. A is equal to 3, B is equal to negative 5, C is equal to 0 kasi wala tayong constant. So, negative times negative 5, or we have negative and the negative 5 over 2 times 3. So, this is equal to 5 over 6. And we should know that 5 divided by 6 is equal to 0.83. So, yan yung h natin. For the value of k, we have 4 times 3 times 0 minus negative 5 squared all over 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 times 0 is equal to 0 minus 25 over 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, negative 25 divided by 12 is equal to, this is equal to negative 25 over 12. So this is equal to negative 2.08. So, lagay natin sa table of values natin. So we will be solving at least 3, 0.83, negative 2.08, at least 3, para ma-graph natin yung parabola natin. So, papunta sa right, we have to add 1. So, magiging 1.83. Papunta sa left, we have to subtract 1. 0.83 minus 1 is equal to negative 0.17. And then at least, kahit isa lang yung isolve natin kasi surely this one and itong nasa right is equal lang din naman. We have y is equal to 3 times negative 0.17 squared minus 5 times negative 0.17. 3 times 0.0289 minus a plus 0.85. So 3 times 0.0289 is equal to 0.0867 plus 0.85 is equal to 0.9367, or i-round off natin, two decimal places, 0.94. Also, this is equal to 0.94. Next is, we have to graph this na. Of course, in graphing this, we need a Cartesian plane. Y-axis, x-axis. Don't forget that we have 1, we have 2, we have negative 1, we have negative 1, we have negative 2, we have negative 3, we have negative 4. Wait, dagdagan natin sa y. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So, assuming that this is a perfect Cartesian plane, syempre mahirap dito kasi hindi naman ako ganun kagaling mag-drawing, you know. So 0.83, let's assume that this is here, and then 2.08 is somewhere here, and then 1.83 somewhere here, and 0.94, 0.94 is here, almost 1. Negative 0.17 is here, and then 0.94. So now to graph this, gamit tayo ng kulay green na lang. Wait lang. Pangit yung pagka-graph. Kala mo naman gumanda yung graph. So yun guys, dahil dito ko dinodrawing, you have to expect this na pangit. Pero kapag personal naman, pag whiteboard, ganun, mas okay naman siya kasi somehow we have a meter stick and some other materials to draw this. And then we should know that 0.24 is the point of tangency. So dito siya, let's assume na andito siya. Point of tangency ng, what do you call this? The parabola and the tangent line. So to solve for, para ma-graph natin yung tangent line, at least we have 2 points. So yung 1 point natin is 2, 4, and yung isa pa nating point should be, you may use any number ha. Basta, pero tignan nyo naman, 2, 4 na yung isa, somehow we may use 1 or 3. Pero gamitin na lang natin is 3, and we will be using y is equal to 7x minus 10. Y is equal to, so y is equal to 7 times 1, we will be using 1 minus 10. So we have y is equal to 7 minus 10, and then y is equal to negative 3. Ano ba yan? Ang pangit. Y is equal to negative 3. So, therefore, this point is 1 and negative 3. So, 1 and negative 3, andito siya. And to graph this, wait lang, hindi ako magaling mag-graph. So, assuming na perfect din to, straight line. So, ganito yung itsura ng, so, ganyan yung itsura ng tangent line natin. Ganyan yung itsura ng curved line natin. Pero, make sure that you will be sketching the graph at least or somehow sobrang maganda. Why? Kasi this shows your personality. And ayun, and then ayun, hindi siya masyadong maganda sa akin kasi ganyan. Oh, that's it for this video. Goodbye. I hope you learned something. So magbibigay pa sana ako ng isang example kaso sobrang haba na.